Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About 6s squared, we put about 2s squared and 4s squared. Next, we can do about factorization by s squared. We can do another factorization by number 4. Next, we can do another factorization by s squared plus 2. Next, we can do about partial fractions. So, I will put about as plus b over s squared plus 4. And the next one, cs plus d over s squared plus 2. Because this is about the number 2 in here. So on numerator, we just reduce 1 power of the unit. That is about 2 minus 1. We have number 1. So that's why we have s. And later that we reduce the power to number 0 in here. And this is s to the power of 0. Now we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s squared plus 2. So as plus b multiplied by s squared plus 2. About this one, it is missing about s squared plus 4. So cs plus d multiplied by s squared plus 4. And we put this one go in here. And now we need to expand. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s to the power of 3, we have a plus c. About s squared, we have b plus d. About s, we have 2a plus 4c. About the number, we have 2b plus 4d. Now we need to compare coefficients. We have s to the power of 3. This is about number 1. So a plus c equals to number 1. We don't have s squared, so b plus d equals to number 0. We don't have this one in here, so this one you got about 0. About the number, this one equals to negative number 6. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C, D. And here is the solutions of this one. Now we put A, B, C, D go in here. So A, that's about number 2. B, that's about number 3. C, that's about negative number 1. D, that's about negative number 3. And now we need to separate them in here. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 4. The integration of this one, we have 3 over 2 or tan of s over 2. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 2. And the last one, the integration of this one, we have number 3 over the square root of number 2 or tan of s over the square root of number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.